Wanda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Russ approved potato salad. As y'all know, he's done told y'all how he feels about mayonnaise and all the things. Yeah, he does not like mayonnaise. When I fixed my traditional tater salad, honey, he wouldn't even taste it.
It's the only thing on this channel.
I don't know. I think it was one more thing.
I don't think so.
I don't know. But
pretty sure.
I'm going to do a special Russell, special potato salad. And this is bacon ranch. Now, he loves bacon. He loves cheese. He loves ranch. Even though ranch has mayonnaise in it, he will eat ranch. So I'm going to make him bacon ranch potato salad or a loaded potato salad. And for all of y'all out there that don't like mayonnaise, here's one for you. Now I'm going to start off making my ranch because the ranch tastes better if it gets just a little chilled. So we can go ahead and whip that up and put it in the refrigerator and let it be chilling while I cut my potatoes and do all the things. Just doing and doing. That's what we got to do today. So I'm going to start with, guess what? Some good old Duke's mayonnaise. And we're going to start with a cup of this. Now this recipe calls for about a cup of ranch dressing. So we're going to make more than a cup, but I'll have it on something. We got maters coming out our ears. We'll be doing salads this week, something. It won't go to waste, will it, Russell?
No, it will not.
Grandbabies love them some ranch on just about anything, too. All right, so...
They will drink it.
Yes, they love it. They really do. So, a cup of mayonnaise in there. And we're going to do, I guess I better do a different spoon. We don't want to double dip, do we?
No.
Cup of sour cream. I just got some good old Great Value sour cream here. Good old Walmart. A cup of sour cream. Get that in there. Now we're going to do a cup of buttermilk. Because this is a buttermilk ranch kind of situation. Kind of dressing. So, let me just get this out of the way it looks like a lot, y'all, but most of this is seasoning. This is so simple to put together. People go and pay so much money for ranch, and I listen, I do it too. But it's really so much better when you make it at home. So 1 cup of buttermilk, shaken, and I'm going to just give this a little mix. Go ahead and mix this up before we start adding our little seasoning in here. Let's see. Get my little whisk here, my little whisker. I might have needed a bigger bowl, but I got my little Dollar Tree special. These are good for mixing and stuff, so. Alright, we're going to get this. I think them spoons are so heavy they're going to tip over. So we just gave this just a little mix. This is already starting to look like ranch. Now we're going to start putting our little seasoning in. We're going to do a teaspoon of garlic powder. And all of this seasoning normally is nothing out of the ordinary, probably that you wouldn't have on hand. Actually, that was onion powder. This is the garlic powder. So 1 teaspoon of each. I like the garlic. I'm going to put just a little, there we go. It wasn't quite full. We're going to do 2 teaspoons of dill weed. And if you have this stuff fresh, it is so much better, but I didn't. It's been so hot outside. My little herbs is just hanging on for dear life, honey. They are about a gnat's eyelash away from death. Mm-hmm. I did get my little green onions and stuff. Now, our tomatoes are thriving. They are thriving. All right, parsley. We're going to do a teaspoon of parsley. So just dried parsley in here. That's going to give it some pretty color. And I've got some chives. I'm going to do a teaspoon of just chopped chives. And I do little healthy ones, y'all. We're going to put some black pepper in here because you know you got to have some black pepper. And I'm going to put just a little bit of salt. Just a little something. And we're going to taste this and see where we're at here. Maybe about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. let's give this a little stir. Look at that. If that ain't ranch, look at there. This is what you see in restaurants. This ain't what you see in the bottle. Look at there.
Man, looks pretty good there now.
Now, y'all know what I always say. We got to taste it and make sure it's okay.
Safe for the kids.
Safe for the kids and everybody. I do that.
You gonna take one for the team?
Yes, I'm gonna take one for the team. Oh, I forgot lemon juice. I need a little splash of lemon juice. I'm making a mess. Law. I'm not going to use the same spoon I tasted with. We'll put a little bit of, we'll put about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in here just for some little pop. And I'm going to add some more salt because it needs some more salt. Other than that, it was delicious. Put just a little bit more salt. So about a teaspoon of salt, I'd say. Now, give it a whirl. Now, I'm going to take one of these other spoons and taste it with. Because this is going to be more than we need, so little kiddos might be over. It's good. All right. Now, I'm going to pour it in this little jar right here. Y'all do this, save your little mason jars. And we are going to pour it in here.
Y'all, we gifted some jellies and peppers, hot sauce and stuff, and I almost felt like telling people we gift them to, hey, how about
Can
how
I
about
get the
sending
jar
them
back?
jars back? That's how we be about jars, man. They're like gold, really.
Yes, I should have got the big one. I'll change it out in a minute, but we are going to get this chilling in the fridge. So let me move this stuff and then we'll start with our potatoes. All right, that ranch is in the fridge. I did add another teaspoon of garlic, so go with about 2 teaspoons of garlic. That's what I say. Just taste your stuff, honey, and you do you, honey. Measure with your heart. Now, I've got some of these red potatoes here. I like to keep just a little bit of skin on them, and I think even in my light mashed potatoes, when I do red skin potatoes, when I do the little taters, I leave a little skin on them. You can totally take them off. You don't have to do that. But I'm just going to cut these up in about 1-inch pieces. I'm going to wash them good, put them in some salted water, salted cold water to start cooking. And we're going to get these cooking. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Not long at all. And while that's cooking, I'm going to fry up bacon. I know y'all know how to fry some bacon, so I won't drag you along for that. And the rest of the recipe is just right here. Just some cheese, some green onion, potatoes and bacon, y'all. Simple, but so good. And Russ is going to like this potato salad. Aren't you, Russell?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah. Anyway, all right, y'all. And let me just say, if you didn't want to watch, if you looked at that ranch and said, Lord, I ain't doing all that, because I have looked at recipes and thought, oh, that's a lot. Flip the page. Don't do it. You can also get the little packets of ranch and just add like a cup of mayo and a cup of buttermilk in it, and it is delicious, restaurant style ranch. Or you could probably just use some out of the bottle, but I'd think that'd be a little more runnier. Anyway, let's get these taters washed and cooking, and I'll be back to show y'all what it looks like when they're done. All right, y'all. In the pot it goes. Now, I did run some cold water on these and thought I had cooled them off, so we'll just let them cool off just a minute. And I'm going to get that ranch.
That looks like it's perfect for me to taste right there. That's in my wheelhouse.
I know. You don't want no.
That's a professional taste tester heat right there, y'all. Everybody want my job? There you go. That's what you get to taste at right there. That's the heat.
Don't want no cold taters, do you?
No, I'm not a fan of cold taters.
He's not a fan, y'all. He's not a fan. I got my little goodie out of the refrigerator. This is really supposed to be cooled off, but he says, I'm not eating no cold
I
potato
don't like
salad.
cold potatoes, y'all. Cold
He's
French
not.
fries, cold. I'm not a fan of that.
But we are going to let this cool off, I think, just a second. It's still really hot.
It's piping. Yeah.
I don't want the cheese to go ahead and start melting right away in it. So I'm going to chop my little bacon up and get that ready and give it a few minutes. My ranch is good right out the fridge. Honey, I ain't wasting that little bit. We will use that little bit first. All right. Be just a second. We'll get back to mixing this up. Okay, y'all. I know she's still smoking. She's still sassy, but Russ really wants it like this. Now, this ranch is going to cool it off. And we're going to put about a cup of ranch in this and see where we're at. Now, the original recipe I had, you used a cup of sour cream and a cup of ranch. Russell, however, I don't believe you would enjoy that because he don't like sour cream either, do you? You don't love it.
I'm not the
You don't love it.
Biggest fan.
So I'm going to probably use just all ranch.
Sounds good to me.
But I'm going to flip this and just see what we got in here.
Ranchy taters.
Ranchy taters. Listen, loaded potatoes, which is why they use sour cream, because it is like a loaded baked potato.
I don't eat sour cream on baked potatoes, so.
You do not.
No, I do not.
But you do like ranch.
I do like ranch.
So.
As a matter of fact, I like ranch over ketchup on French fries.
Yes, you
I would choose
do.
ranch, so.
I got about a cup and a half of cheese here. Now, I'm going to put half of my bacon. Now, I did cook a whole pound of bacon. I'm going to put half of it in there because we're going to leave a little bit. You know, you got to put a little bit on top.
Yeah, make it pretty.
And make it pretty. Now, it calls for a cup of green onions, but I don't think you would have loved a whole lot of green onion. So I did about a half a cup in here. I may end up cutting some more. We might leave a little on top. Look how good that looks, though. Oh, look how good it's looking. Yummy. And I think this is some taters you can get down with, Russell.
I believe I can get down with it.
Yep. Especially while it's hot. All right, we're going to put this. Now, the potatoes soak this sauce right on up. So I'm going to put about a half cup in here. And I may even do more than that because, like I said, it did call for 2 cups of dressing. But it smells good. It does just look like loaded baked potato, don't it?
It really does.
Yummy, yummy. All right. That's what we got. I'm going to put some a little more pepper in here. A little more pepper. And maybe just a touch of salt. Just a little. And that's going to be it. I'm going to put it in my Pretty Little Temptations bowl here. And we're just going to top it with some more bacon and some green onion. And that's all there is to it. So you ready to give it a try, Russell?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. All right, y'all. His favorite time.
Yeah.
Tasting time.
It's a hard life.
It's so hard. It really
know,
is.
man.
It just. It probably is hard to have to video me though.
It ain't that hard. It's gotten easier.
That's tough.
It's getting easier.
Well.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Loaded bacon ranch potato salad.
Yeah.
You ready for it?
I'm ready for it. Yeah,
It
I'm
looks
actually
good.
excited to try this, y'all. This has got some of the
potato
stuff
salad he can get
that
down
I actually
with.
like. I'm spilling bacon. That's some kind of foul. That's gotta be
abuse.
a party foul there.
That's the abuse right there. Don't waste bacon.
Huh. It's really good.
Now, in their little notes it says serve it cold.
No, we don't do cold potatoes.
He don't do cold potatoes.
That's a foul in itself.
It looks just like loaded baked potato though. I love me some. Y'all know I love taters. Any kind of way.
See, I think potato salad, somebody just got lazy and didn't want to heat it up.
No.
And that was their idea of saying, well, let's just call it a salad and serve it to somebody. And really, potatoes are not meant to be served cold, y'all. That's just
I
my
love
take.
it.
Hey, that's my,
That's a little,
you know,
his
same way
little-
with pasta. Pasta's not meant to be cold. It's not a cold thing. It's not a cold.
Now you like a cold pasta salad with the meats and the one I do with
Yeah,
you do. He
I will
likes it.
eat. Yeah,
He likes
there are
it.
some exceptions.
Meat and
I
cheeses
guess.
and all that
Yeah.
good stuff. He likes.
That's good though, for real.
Mhm.
Yep, with the
You-
ranch.
Yep.
Yeah.
But supposedly you eat this cold. I was just throwing it out there. I do think
Y'all
it
can
would
eat
be
it
good.
cold.
He will eat it hot.
That's right. I'll just warm it up.
And I don't care. I'll eat it hot, cold, whatever. I'm
Yeah.
not-
I mean,
I'm
you know,
not
you can
picky
serve
at
it to
all.
me, and I can just throw it in the microwave and
Is that
pretend
it?
that it just came out the oven, and we'll go right on about our business. Yeah.
Melt that cheese. Get that.
Melt
little
that cheese. I mean, listen, it's got cheese in it. It's got bacon in it. Who wants to eat cold bacon? I mean, really, think about the ingredients, y'all.
He's got a point.
Cheesy and bacony.
He's got a point. He's got a point.
Why would you want that cold?
And loaded baked potatoes. don't
Exactly.
we?
Baked potatoes are not served cold.
My point is, you do you.
Yeah, do you?
Do you, honey?
I'm
Just
going to do
you.
me. That's right.
But
Let us know in the comments what y'all would like to eat your.
Yes.
Yeah, let us know in the comments. Yeah.
It is good. I've already tasted it.
It is
I
really
tasted
good,
it
y'all,
before.
for real.
And I-
On a serious note, it is
It
very
really
good.
is good.
Very good.
And did you like it with just the ranch, or you?
I did.
He's not a sour cream person.
Well, I mean,
either.
we had something here lately that had sour cream in it. I can't remember what it was now, just a couple weeks ago. But
Yeah.
it had sour cream and it was good. It had sour cream and something mixed together.
We had the corn.
Corn salad.
Corn
That's
salad.
right. It had sour cream in it.
It's
Yeah.
cold.
And it was cold. And,
And
it
it
was
was
good.
cold.
And it was good. But it had a lot of stuff going on.
Cream cheese and all that.
Yeah, it had a lot of stuff. And that had a lot of different flavors and textures and stuff.
It was good.
It was good. That was good too.
Yeah. But anyway,
Y'all, I am evolving still.
He
And it just
is.
goes to show you, give something a chance. That is what I do on this channel. And
his little taste buds is evolving. They're growing up. He's growing up. I'm so proud of you. No,
growing
really,
up, y'all.
really, he would not taste. He would be like, I don't eat that. I ain't tasting it, no. And I would be like, come on, taste.
See,
come
thanks
on.
to
I
y'all.
like
Thanks to you all.
to taste things.
I am now willing for the
Yeah.
team. I'm taking one for the
Taking
team.
one.
You know,
Now this is pretty good, so you didn't have to take too much. Take another bite.
it is
That's
very
all you
good.
had
It
to
is
do.
very good.
That's all you had to do
well,
was take a bite. You don't have to do another
No,
one. just-
I will. You ain't got to tell me twice.
But
I'll
this
do it.
will go good, y'all, really, with anything. This would be delicious with steak, I think.
Oh yeah,
Just like a
yeah.
baked potato
You
on
wouldn't
the
even have to
side.
have no side. You
But
could just eat
barbecue chicken,
Yeah.
honey,
this. Yeah,
just about anything you put this beside, I could make a meal out of that.
really.
I could really just eat that by
Yeah.
itself. It is delicious.
It's very good.
It's real good, y'all. It's real
Mm-hmm.
good. Give it a try. Give it a try.
Yeah, it's a perfect side for your barbecues. You know, we've been doing those kind of recipes.
Yep. Summer stuff.
Summer stuff. Yeah, it's summertime, so we've been trying to do stuff for that time of year, y'all.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
So hopefully y'all can enjoy this one.
I hope you do.
Yeah.
And thank y'all so much for watching and
We appreciate
loving
every one
us.
of you.
We
We do.
really do.
Yeah,
we really do.
Yep.
And all my new little people.
Yeah,
that's
we found some
popping
new
in.
people. We appreciate
Well,
y'all. Welcome. Yeah.
Yes, welcome. But anyway, y'all, till next time.
Peace.